Hello, my name is Daniel. I'm 20 years old and I'm from Našice, which is in Eastern Croatia. I'm doing sculptures about 5 years and I made an exhibition on the theme of the Eurovision Song Contest, which is my favorite TV show. So I want to introduce you into some of my sculptures and you can leave a comment of what you think about it. The first sculpture you're going to see is Fielderism. It's from the Eurovision Song Contest 2006 and I made a combination of the theme and the stage, of course. So as you can see, here is the cross of the Greek flag. There is a sign of my name, DD, and so you can see it's colorful as the flag is white and blue, and it was quite hard to make it, but it's possible. The next sculpture is True Fantasy, which was on the Eurovision in 2007 in Finland. So you can see the combination of the theme, which are the flowers as you can see, and the stage, which I made the form of the Finnish flag in blue, and in the bottom is in the white. There is also a sign of my name, so you can see that I made it. This is the sculpture of the Eurovision 2008, which was in Serbia. The name is Components of Sound, and it's the first sculpture from my 2 years of photos I made. So you can see it's very difficult to build, but for me that's no problem. You can see the two lines, one is in the blue, which presents a river in Serbia, and the second one is red, which presents also a river in Serbia. So the next sculpture is Fantasy Bird from the Eurovision 2009 in Russia. I made a combination of stage, as you can see, on which lies the Fantasy Bird or the Phoenix. So the colors which are here present the flag of Russia, red, blue and white. And so this is it. This sculpture presents the Eurovision 2010. It's a sphere, which the name is Share the Moment, and it is combined with another little sphere where is the flag of Norway, and up above are some lines in a sphere shape. So if you like it, leave a comment. This is the sculpture of the Eurovision 2011 from this year, which was in Germany. The theme is Feel Your Heartbeat, and as you can see, the first part is the stage, which presents two satellites from the song Lena satellite. And here are 3 cards, which are every in one color and represent the flag of Germany. This was the first part of my exhibition on the Eurovision Song Contest. So as you can see here, the 6 sculptures of each year which represent one country. So if you like it, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel or my Facebook profile.
Keep you safe.